The future of off-roading is arriving, and it's coming in the form of the all-electric 2026 Jeep Recon. Designed from the ground up to carry Jeep's adventurous DNA into the electric age, the Recon combines rugged capability with modern EV technology. At first glance, the Recon looks every bit like a Jeep, bold, upright, and ready for the trail. Its signature 7-slot grille takes center stage, now reimagined for electric efficiency, framed by sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic yet unmistakably Jeep presence. Strong midlines and a wide stance make it clear, this SUV was built to handle the wild. Swinging around to the rear, the Recon balances practicality with toughness. Slim LED taillights stretch across the back, and rugged details like tow hooks, skid plates, and a trail-ready bumper remind you this is no soft-roader. This is an EV engineered to climb, crawl, and explore. Jeep even designed it with removable doors and a retractable roof, staying true to its open-air tradition while giving drivers more freedom than ever before. Step inside, and you'll find an interior built for both comfort and durability. Jeep hasn't revealed every detail yet, but the direction is clear: functional materials, a driver-focused cockpit, and a modern infotainment system ready to keep you connected on or off the beaten path. Whether you're behind the wheel or riding shotgun, the cabin blends Wrangler-like practicality with a more refined EV feel, one interior color scheme tying the space together for both front and back passengers. Underneath it all, the Recon is built on Stellantis' new STLA large platform, purpose-built for electrified performance. While final specs are still under wraps, Jeep has promised true off-road capability with instant torque from its electric motors, electronic locking differentials, and all-terrain tires. It's not just about going green. It's about going further, with confidence and power only an electric drivetrain can deliver. The 2026 Jeep Recon isn't just another SUV. It's Jeep redefining adventure for a new era, proving that electric can be tough, capable, and ready for the trail. For fans in the US, the UK, and beyond, this is the Jeep you'll want to keep your eyes on.